For Food for the Poor and the Orain family, the handing over of this two-bedroom house perhaps means a little more on this occasion than before. Behind this handover is one woman's heart-wrenching story. This is 64-year-old Casty Anderson, mother of four, who just a weeks ago lived on the sidewalks of the Kingston Public Hospital, sleeping on nothing but cardboard boxes. She had done that for the past 20 years. For over 3 decades ago, Casty Anderson fell on some hard times, causing her to leave her family and giving up her last child for adoption. In 2013, Casty's last child began searching for her biological mother and discovered she was living on the streets. Wanting to take Casty in but not having the space to accommodate her, she contacted Food for the Poor for help, leading to this house. This home was constructed and handed over by Food for the Poor and the Orain Douglas family in Woodbourne District, Yallas, St. Thomas on March 10.
Reaching out to help families in need is really living the commandment, love thy neighbor as thyself. And I encourage every other Jamaican family to think deeply about this as to how they can make a difference in other people's lives.
It's always good to give back, to help someone in need. It's really very rewarding.
Just thanking God, just thanking Him.
Food for the Poor says it wants to continue its work across the island and is asking Jamaicans for support.
So on May 13th at Emancipation Park at 6 o'clock, come out and support families in need, help our fellow Jamaicans, make a difference, join the campaign, make a difference. $1,000 times 400 persons equal a house. Join our campaign. You'll see us right throughout Jamaica making a difference. Our target is to build 100 houses.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kirk Wright.